Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change brake pads. First, gather all necessary tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and new brake pads. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely supported on sturdy jack stands. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from debris and chemicals. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe brake pad replacement process. Now, let's get to removing the old components. After safely removing the wheel, locate and unbolt the caliper from its mounting bracket. Gently slide the caliper off the brake rotor, being careful not to let it hang by the brake hose. Use a wire or bungee cord to support it. Then, you can easily remove the worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, clean the caliper bracket thoroughly and apply a thin layer of brake lubricant to the contact points. Carefully install the new brake pads into the bracket. Next, use a C-clamp or a specialized caliper piston tool to compress the piston back into the caliper body. Finally, reinstall the caliper over the new pads and rotor, tightening all bolts to specification. Almost done, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your vehicle. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to seat the new pads and restore pedal pressure. Check your brake fluid reservoir and add fluid if it's low. Finally, take your vehicle for a cautious test drive in a safe area, listening for any unusual sounds and confirming a firm, responsive brake pedal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.